Good morning to all students belonging to class first year RS Inter College Khan. Yesterday I taught you used to or remove to. Yesterday I taught you to remove to, and today I am teaching you use of to. Yesterday I told you that in place of to, so that are used in single to vary over beyond the proper limit. These words are used and the sense remains the same in both of the sentences. Today I am going to learn how to use to, so that the original sentence has the same sense the new sentence may also have, as he is so honest that he cannot deceive anybody. So we have to use to. He is too honest to deceive anybody. The sense is the same, that he is so honest that he cannot deceive anybody, and he is too honest to deceive anybody. Two of the sentences have the same meaning, have the same sense. The stick is so strong that it cannot be broken. Because here the subject was non-living things, that non-living things activity, whenever is done, it is formed in passive voice sentence. It cannot be broken, it is passive voice. So thus stick is so strong that it cannot be broken. And we have to change it into this sentence by using to. The stick is too strong to break. The sense remains the same as it is had. He is so tired that he cannot do the work. So it will be he is too tired to do the work. The same is sense that he cannot do the work because he is very tired or so tired. Rishi was so proud that he could not accept any mistake. It will be Rishi was too proud to accept any mistake. So here are the two kinds of to are used, so that in changing, in removing, so that one to is TOO2, other two TO2. So these two kinds of twos are used. But whenever there, I told you that whenever single to is used and we have to remove to, I told you that very is used, over is used, and beyond the proper limit. These three words are used. So today we have to reverse it, and the mango is very sour. So we have to remove very and we have to use to in place of very. It will be mango is too sour. Means the mango is very sour or mango is over sour. You are over proud. It will be you are too proud. You are too proud or you are very proud are the same. So you are too proud. It also gives the sense of you are over proud. The pen was costly beyond the proper limit. We have to use to, so it will be the pen was too costly. The sense gives the sense as the first sentence was giving the sense the pen was costly beyond the proper limit. So it will also be the pen was too costly. So the sense is giving the sense. The sense is not changed. So you have to remember it that if single to is used, this, it may be changed into very or into over or into beyond the proper limit. So among these three words, any word can be used if single to is given in the sentence. There. Thank you very much. And I am giving you the homework you have to do. First, prose lesson 1-2, question answers to write and learn. Second, short story lesson 2, question answers to write and learn. These you have to do. Thank you very much.